From news headquarters, this is
Fake
News
Friday.
Baby, you can't conceal it. Know how I know. 'Cause I can feel it.
A burping at animals or belching at animals compilation. This guy was, if you're on the radio, he's riding his bicycle down a path, belches at a bird and scares the hell out of the birds. You're going to have to get on. I'm going to give you a warning. You have to get on rumble.com and go to Fake News Friday show so you can watch this, because this is a visual. Basically what this guy is doing, and on the first set of videos, is he's going to farms and houses and places where there's animals to see what animals do, because he has like an incredible burping, belching talent. Go ahead, Jack. Just play it. I don't care. I don't want to explain anything else. Get on rumble.com. Sheep. He scared the hell out of the sheep.
You win.
He just belched at a herd of cows. Oh, he's riding a bicycle. He's just scared of pit bull. It's a giraffe. Pissed off the giraffe. The cows are like, what the hell? He's in a food court. He scared the hell out of a schnitzel. Rhinos. All 5 rhinos did not like that. They're running away. The rhinos are running away. You can scare rhinos by belching at them. Oh my God. He's in a dinosaur costume. He's gonna belch at a person walking and a dog.
The dogs like huddle up against the people every time.
Dog's like, what the hell? Oh, it's an elephant. Oh no. Oh no. Ooh.
Is he on the road, son? Is he on the road, son?
The donkey is a donkey. The donkeys like the donkeys are folding their ears and like, stop it. That was a
Pony.
Oh my God.
The German Shepherd.
Jack, pause it here. Find one in the mall now. Okay, that was a shitless pony and the German Shepherd. Put up another one. Yang Aji 19871. YANAGI 19871. Most of his videos have multiple Millions of views. I am not the only one. Jack, try to find one. Yeah, that one. I think that's in public. Yeah, no, go right to the right. Let's see again. That's literally how you log in his videos. It's a big belch. What? He's sitting down in the middle of a court. He's in a mall, an indoor mall. There's like 3 girls in front of him. Right behind these chicks. Right, Jack, here we go. That's good enough. Okay. So, they think this is the best stuff ever. Some people are like, what is wrong with you? Well, I'll tell you what's wrong with me. Society sucks ass, and this is really funny. Anything to get a rise out of some of these sheep out there. Listen, this guy literally belches at sheep to get a reaction. Have you ever driven by cows? Listen to me. Driven by cows and mooed at them, honked at them, trying to get a rise out of the cow. And what do the cows do? They don't do a damn thing. Because your play is old and worn out. They don't care. Cows don't care. This guy blows a belch out of a herd of cows, and they moo back at him and communicate with him because he's doing something that humans don't do. He's literally going to a level of communication that's like, oh, wait a minute. Oh, yes. This is something we understand. And then, of course, when he goes into a human population, humans like, they don't even know. People don't know how to react to it. You have to go to this level just to get a rise out of the sheep.